body, like nature, functions according to cycles, right? If you see in nature, there is the sunrise, and then the sun goes up, right? During the noon time, then starts coming down, and then it sets. There is night, the moon rises, and then goes up, and then sets. Next day, same thing continues again. The sun rises, goes up, comes down, like this. Everything goes around in cycles. If you see the seasons also, same thing. Summer, autumn, winter, spring, summer, autumn, winter, spring, keeps rolling like that, right? Everything in nature, you see time, 12 o'clock, now 11:30, it'll become 12, 1, 2, and then again it goes all the 24 hours, and again the same cycle continues. Similarly, the human body also functions according to natural cycles. This is called as a biological clock. So you see, we will take the time, especially from night 9 o'clock to morning 9 a.m. We will take that and we will try and understand. Okay. From 9 p.m. to 11 p.m., the body, especially if you are sleeping, only when you are sleeping, not especially, only when you are sleeping, the body eliminates toxic chemicals from the immune system or the lymph nodes. You see, the immune system is your body's army. This is what prevents external, say, insurgencies. You know, like Pakistan army comes and attacks Indian army. What keeps it away? It is a border security force, the BSF. Like that, our immune system keeps us away from all these invasions, and this is called as the elimination of toxic chemicals from the body. And if this doesn't happen, that means if you're not sleeping between 9 and 11, at least by 10 o'clock, 9:30, 10, you should be on the bed. If you don't do that, then the body cannot eliminate the toxic chemicals. Toxic means poison. And what will happen? These poisonous elements keep on increasing in your body, and at one point in time, there will be so much poison, toxic in the body that we will fall sick. From 11 o'clock to 1 o'clock, the liver eliminates poisons and rejuvenates itself. This is from 11 to 1. From 12 midnight to 4 a.m., the bone marrow produces blood. And you see, it's from the red blood cells that are produced from the bone marrow that you get the energy in the body. Okay. And from 1 o'clock to 3 o'clock, the gallbladder eliminates toxins and rejuvenates itself. So all of these things are going on when we are sleeping and we are not even in control. 3 to 5, the lungs eliminate toxins and rejuvenate themselves. Okay. And this is the time when actually yogis wake up and they do pranayam or any kind of meditative experiences where they breathe in a systematic manner. You see, so it's a very, very good time to do pranayam or some breathing exercises. And 5 to 7, the colon means the large intestine, it eliminates poisons. What is stored in the large intestine? All the food that we ate yesterday gets stored there as stool, right? And then we have to go and clear it in the toilet. I'm sorry, I'm being explicit, but that's what happens in the body. So the colon eliminates poisons and rejuvenates itself. This is a proper time to empty your bowel. You have to go to the toilet between 5 and 7 in the morning, not at 11 o'clock in the night or 11 o'clock in the morning. 5 to 7 in the morning. And from 7 to 9 a.m., the vitamins, minerals, proteins, and nutrients that you eat are absorbed in your small intestines. You should definitely eat your breakfast at this time. We have to be attuned. We have to be in line with this cleansing mechanism of the body. Okay? So, all right. Now, what will happen if there is a disruption of the natural functions of our biological clock? Ayurveda says there are 3 causes of disease. One is anxiety. Anxiety means panic, like everybody is in panic during this COVID time. Okay, so panic or stress, that is the first cause. Overeating, eating too much beyond your capacity. Everybody's capacity is different. You may eat less, I may eat more, whatever, but then not more than what our capacity is. And uncleanliness. Who says this? Lord Dhanvantri, the father of Ayurveda, he's saying this, that there are three causes of disease. So regulated lifestyle helps in keeping the body clean. Okay, so you regulate your lifestyle like the biological clock. Your life also should function like a clock. You regulate yourself. Stop when you have to stop, fast forward when you have to fast forward, play when you have to play, like a tape recorder or a CD player. Tape recorders of my time or a CD player today, you function according to your biological clock. And Charaka Samhita, this is again a Samhita written by Charaka Muni for our health, good health. He says a healthy person should follow a course of life which is conducive. Conducive means which will enhance the maintenance of good health. This is what he is saying.